In this video, we'll walk through how to evaluate and choose the right board portal for your organization. Whether you are replacing an outdated system or adopting a board portal for the first time, here is a clear framework to guide your decision. When evaluating board portal software, focus on 5 key criteria. First, security and compliance. Your board portal houses sensitive financial, legal, and strategic documents. Look for these certifications: SOC 2, ISO 27001, and ISO 27701. And if you operate in healthcare, confirm HIPAA compliance. The platform should keep board materials out of email inboxes and inside one governed system. Second, ease of use. If directors won't use it, nothing else matters. The platform should feel intuitive from the first login on any device. Involve actual board members in your evaluation, not just administrators. Third, full meeting lifecycle support. The best board portal software handles agenda building, board book assembly, in-meeting voting, minutes drafting, and tasks follow-up, not just document distribution. The right platform should also keep the latest version of every board material in front of every director, without resends or version confusion. Fourth, support and implementation. Ask your dedicated onboarding, migration timelines, and ongoing customer success. A strong vendor acts as a partner, not just a platform. Fifth, AI capabilities. Over 2/3 of directors already use AI for board work. Look for closed-loop AI built into the board portal that summarizes materials, drafts minutes, and surfaces past decisions without data ever leaving the system. OnBoard checks every single one of these boxes. It is rated number 1 for ease of use on G2 and Capterra, backed by SOC 2 and ISO certified security on Microsoft Azure, and supports the full meeting lifecycle from agenda to approved minutes. What also sets OnBoard apart is how it brings AI into governance in a private, closed-loop environment, helping boards move faster without giving up control. OnBoard also delivers a 9.8 out of 10 implementation satisfaction score. So, ready to evaluate OnBoard against your own criteria? Request a free trial now and see why thousands of boards trust OnBoard as their board portal of choice.